Morning, guys. Time is around 9:23. And what you can see here is that before this candle formation itself, I knew that the market is going to reject price from this mid of the first candle. And the 5 minute zone, you can see rejection of price here. And I thought of entering long position, but as soon as I recorded and placed my order, this candle has been formed. But nothing to worry, guys. You can definitely take long position here. In case, in case if the market fails to close above this high, you can expect rejection from these levels and further continuation of price towards the downside. Or in case if the market clearly breaks this level, there is high chance the market might continue further bullish. But as of now, we have taken long position, guys, and we are expecting an upward momentum. So there is high chance that the market might reject price from these levels. But you can see price is holding here, guys, clearly signifying some sort of bullishness in the put side. You can see a 80 rupees premium went all the way to 500, clearly signifying put side there is some sort of bullishness. And you can expect price rejecting from these levels, guys. You can expect rejection of price somewhere from these levels and further continuation towards the downside. And if you look into a 5 minute time frame and see where exactly is 200 moving average currently residing at, or in a daily time frame, let's wait and watch and see. What we expected here is in today's trade analysis that the price might reject slightly gap up or gap down because of tariffs only, guys. There is a panic selling. You can see the price is closing below this level, guys, really signifying some sort of bearishness. This is a 200 moving average. So let's mark this line and keep it. And in a 5 minute time frame, let's see where exactly 200 moving average is trying to hold. In a 5 minute time frame, you can see 200 moving average is above, guys. So in a 15 minute time frame, though, it's somewhere around here. So let's go into 1 minute time frame and look for trade setups, guys. As you know, we have already taken long position and we are expecting the market to break this high. In case if the market with huge momentum breaks this high, there is a high chance the market might continue further bullish. Or you can see the price is rejecting from 21 moving average here, guys, clearly signifying bearishness. So there is a high chance that the market might reject price from these levels and continue further selling towards the downside. So it's better to look for short setups, guys, rather than long setups because the market sentiment is clearly bearish. So it's better to look for short trades only. In case if you try to exit this position, guys, it's better to exit, even though the market might break these levels, or you can expect the market to go all the way to this level, guys. You can expect the market might even reach this level also, but the overall sentiment of market is bearish, so you should always look for short setups rather than trading long, guys. You can see a huge rejection of candle. In this premium, guys, the price from 3 rupees went all the way to 300, guys. A 30x return, guys. If you might have invested 1 rupee, it became 30 rupees. And 10,000 might have become 3 lakhs, guys. That's the power of compounding in trading, guys. You can see the market might move towards the upside, but let's wait and watch and see in case if the market moves in our favor. As we have already mentioned to you, we have taken long position somewhere here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle. But what we can expect here is even though the market might break this high also, we need to see how the market breaks this high, guys. That's very important. In case if the market here breaks the 21 moving average very aggressively, you can expect some kind of bullish momentum. This is in a 5 minute time frame, guys. Banknifty in a 5 minute time frame. And this is in a 1 minute time frame. You can see price is holding at these levels, clearly signifying some sort of bullishness. So you can expect the market to retrace somewhere here, guys. Somewhere here, take support from this zone and continuation of further price towards the upside. So you can enter somewhere here and expect the market to move further higher like this. So let's wait and watch and see how the market behaves in Nifty 50. In Nifty 50, the price is trying to consolidate. As you can see, clear bearishness. The distance between moving average also is increased, clearly indicating some sort of bearishness. This is my final support, guys. In case if this level has been broken towards the downside aggressively, there is a high chance that the market might continue further selling towards the downside. You can see what this line holds for. This is 200 moving average. Okay, in a 1 minute, in a 1 day time frame, 200 moving average. Let's try to take this out, guys. It's very confusing. You can see after this, the market showing some kind of bullish sentiment. Clearly, you can take long position in case if the market closes as a blue candle and keeping your stop loss just like below that candle, and you can expect the market to reach all the way. In case if the market rejected price and closes below this level, there is a high chance that the market might continue further selling towards the downside. So before even before the candlestick formation, you should never take decisions, guys. After the candle formation only is where you should take a decision whether you should take a long trade or a short trade. And if you mark this candle, this bearish candle, and you can see the market is trying to show bullishness. So that's what I told you guys. Clearly, you can enter a long position somewhere here, keeping your stop loss just below that candle itself and targeting all the way to this side. So there is a very good chance that the market might head bullish and continue further, guys. I have already taken position. I kept my trial my stop loss all the way to this zone. In this case, in a case where the market might close below this zone, is where I thought of exiting. But as of now, the market is showing some kind of bullishness, guys, because a lot of random sellers might have entered the market, seeing this kind of huge gap down, expecting the market to continue further selling. To target all those sellers, guys, due to this huge gap down, the market has to move up to grab all those liquidity of retail traders who are entering short position, and to target all those sellers, the market has to move higher, guys. So there is a high chance that the market might continue bullish. But this bullish momentum is only to target sellers, guys, not to show the bullish sentiment of market. This is to target only. So you can expect price rejecting from somewhere from these levels and continuation of price towards the downside. And you can see there is a window over here, the fair value gap window. So if you consider this to be a window where price has not been traded, so you can expect the price to even retrace all the way to that zone itself. You can see this zone over here. You can expect somewhere price rejecting, or if you mark the midway between this, so you can expect the market to come all the way to this zone somewhere here, rejecting price from this levels and continuation. We are not sure about the targets, guys, but we are definitely sure about our stop loss. So in case if the market breaks below this level, it's the market we are gonna close our trade. And daily we'll take only 3 trades, guys. So this is one trade which I'm gonna take. And in case if I see 100% risk to reward ratio, and where I'm convinced that the market showing a good trade setup, then only I will be taking, or else randomly I would never take. But this is one random trade which I am taking because you can expect the market to show a one side momentum, guys. So either targeting the buyers or sellers. So let's wait and watch and see how the market behaves. You can see the market broke this high with a fair value gap, but here the market again retraced and mitigated this fair value gap. You can see this fair value gap, guys. The market mitigating this fair value gap, clearly not holding any value to this level. So what you can see is that the market might show another bullish candle like this after this candle formation. You can expect a huge bullish candle, even breaking above this high as well. The same candle formed like this, the same candle also is forming like this. So you can expect the market to behave in the same way, and you can expect the market even to reach above this high also. And let's wait and watch and see how the market behaves. But definitely the market is showing some sort of support here, guys, which I have already marked you. The market came all the way to this fair value gap and rejecting price from these levels, which I have already mentioned to you. So what you can expect is that the market might reverse, guys. So what you can see here is that if you consider this swing momentum over here, the low to high of this candle, you can see the market clearly broke below the 550 levels of this level. This is the zero point 0.5 levels. So in case if the market closes, guys, it's better to enter short position somewhere here, keeping your stop loss just above that candle and targeting all the way towards the downside. And for targets, we can consider this swing momentum, the low to high of this candle. So we can target the 1.68 level, the 2.6 level, or you can target it all the way to 4.6 level. This is where we're going to target. So, but here you can see the market is showing some sort of bullish sentiment as the market came and mitigated this fair value gap, rejection of price from 21 moving average. There is a very good chance that the market might continue bearish. So let's take our short position, guys. So as of our trade analysis, we have already mentioned to you to sell one short position. There is Nifty. There is not much of margin requirement. We don't have margin, guys. But let's look into here and see, guys, whether the market's gonna behave in our way. It's always the conviction, guys, whether you need to take a short trade or a long trade. It's always the riding the trend. So you can see the market is trying to move towards the downside, which I've already mentioned to you here. The market came, took support from this 21 moving average and trying to head high. Even here also the market is trying to head high. There's a rejection of price from this VWAP level, clearly signifying some sort of bullishness. But definitely the market sentiment is very only, guys. Even though you can expect some kind of rejection, there is a very good chance that the market might reject from these levels and continue further selling towards the downside. So there is nothing to panic. What you can just hold on to your position and see in case of the market tries to move in your favor. There is no need to panic, guys. You can see the market is rejecting from that levels and trying to move lower. You can see price rejecting from these levels and continuation of price towards the downside. You can expect a huge bearish momentum, guys. You can expect bearish momentum only, guys. So it's better to hold on to your trade. And there is a very good chance that the market might continue bearish. There is a very good possibility that the market might reject from here and continue further selling towards the downside. So just hold on to your trade, guys. You can see a huge bearish candle formed just here, but the market rejected and closed up to that level. There is fair value gap here also, guys. You can see there is some sort of fair value gap here also. You can expect the market to mitigate this fair value gap and again try to move higher. So let's hold on to a position and see in case if how Sensex is behaving. You can see price is trying to move higher, guys. As long as the market is trading below the 9 as well as 21 moving average, we'll just hold on to a position. But you understood, guys. Initially, I've taken a long trade, but as soon as the market here broke this at the of this swing momentum, guys, the 50 levels. So this is where I have taken. I have marked this before the candlestick formation itself, and I've told you it's better to enter short trade. And if you might have hold it on, you could have made a decent profit in this swing momentum. You can see how the market is moving here, and definitely the market is showing signs of bearishness. As long as market is trading below the 9 as well as 21 moving average, we'll just try to hold on to a position and see in case the market continues further selling towards the downside. So what we need to expect is the market to continue bearish only, guys. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. This is how exactly we need to trade, guys. We need to suddenly change our bias, directional bias. Where I have already previously explained to you, once if the market closes below these levels, you can see. In case if the market would have been bullish now, guys, the market would continue further bullish like this and continue like this. And I made a quick profit by using an investment of just, you can see a profit of 1,700, guys. I have taken a put trade, just a 10,000 profit, guys, a 10% return, which I have taken somewhere here as soon as I mentioned to you. And you can see the market is trying to move in our favor as well. You can expect a huge bearish momentum, guys, in case if the market even breaks below this level. So you can see the last support over here is this. So there is high chance the market might take support here and continue further bullish momentum. Or in case if the market doesn't break, guys, you can see this kind of channel pattern formation where the market sentiment is not clearly bearish, guys. You can see there is no fair value gaps and you can see very balanced move here. You can trial your stop loss all the way to this level over here. In case if the market closes above this level, guys, there is a high chance the market might continue bullish. So what I have told you is to draw the fib retracement from here to here, and I told you you could have targeted the initial target to be a 1.68 level, and this is the 1.68 level, guys, target where I have initially mentioned to you, and you can see how the market came all the way to 1.68 level. This is a trade which I have already mentioned to you. In case if the market is trading below this low, guys, there is a high chance, or below this day VWAP level, or you can confluence like this, or the 21 moving average somewhere between this zone, guys. The market might head bearish, but in case if the market breaks above these levels, there is high chance the market might continue bullish. Or if you consider this swing momentum, the high of this candle to the low of this candle, you can see this is the 0.38 level where market might face some sort of rejection, the 0.38 level, or the 50 level over here. You can see. In case if the market breaks this level, there is a high chance that the market might continue bullish. But you can expect some kind of retracement, guys. Or in case if the market sentiment is very bearish now, guys, what market does is consolidates below the 9 as well as 21 moving average. And you can expect a huge bearish momentum like this, keeping your stop loss just above this candle itself. And you can target all the way towards the downside. Or you can mark even this swing low over here. The market might even break. But definitely this kind of momentum will not appear suddenly, guys. This kind of momentum only happens in case if the market would have gapped somewhere here. But since the market has overextended towards the downside, you can expect some kind of reversal, guys, because you can see this kind of balanced move, and a lot of random sellers might have entered here, expecting the market to go further towards the downside. But to target all those sellers here, who might have entered here also, you can expect a bullish momentum. You can even expect in case if the market might even break this high also. There's a very good chance. So you should always be very vigilant about your risk to reward ratio and trade based upon that, guys. And you can see this is a 50 level where the market is trying to behave, and the market clearly broke this level, guys, clearly signifying bearishness. And definitely the market is trying to take support from these levels and continue further bullish momentum. So definitely in case if the market immediately followed by another blue candle over here, guys, of equal size, you can take long position, or in case the market rejecting price from these levels, you can take long position. And you can see this clearly after hitting this 1.68 level target, guys, here. You can see the market clearly broke this level, but you can see rejection of price. This is what is not expected, guys. This is what which I am mentioning to you. But definitely, which I have told you, this trade is also is running in profits, guys. And in case if the market closes above this level, there is high sentiment. The market might continue bullish. But as of now, I can enter this position, keeping my stop loss just below this candle, and I will target it all the way somewhere here, guys. You can make a quick scalp. You can see the momentum over here, and you can see the market is trying to head towards the upside, or you can expect the market even to go all the way above this high, guys. So our risk is very minimum, and you can expect a huge momentum. In case if the market has to target all those sellers, the market even can break above this high, which I've already mentioned to you. You can see this kind of momentum, guys, which I've already mentioned to you. Market swept this low, below this lows, and you can see how the market is trying to head bullish. This is what I'm saying, guys. The market will target all those sellers who might have entered here. The market needs liquidity. You can't expect the market to come and break like this. The market has to need. You can expect a random sellers who might have entered here. All those stop losses might have hit here, guys. And if you look at this momentum, guys, you can see this bearish momentum over here. You can see this kind of huge bearish candle like this, trying to target all those sellers. And you can see here the market was not able to cross the day VWAP level. This is the day VWAP level. So even after this kind of bullish move, the market was not able to cross this day VWAP level, clearly signifying the market sentiment is bearish only. But this momentum is only to target all those buyers, guys. And this target has also been done, guys. So there's no point of me trying to hold that also. You can see with one candle, the market came and reached all the way to this zone. And in case if the market here, guys, of this swing momentum breaks below these 50 levels, there is a high chance that the market might continue further selling. So you can expect the market to go down here also. You can easily take a short trade here and target all the way towards the downside. And for target positions, you can keep the common point within this to the common point within this. For now, you can try your stop loss somewhere here, guys. Or let's try to place the anchor VWAP level. In case the anchor VWAP level has been broken towards the downside, there is a high chance that the market might continue bullish. I need to see a close of anchor VWAP level below this level, guys. That's what I'm expecting. So a close below this level, you can see the market has closed, but immediately following, if in case the market appears another blue candle over here, you can expect bullish momentum. Or in case the market closes here with a small bearish candle, you can see the market again took support and trying to break above these levels. So in case if the market even breaks above this high, guys, there is a high chance that the market might continue all the way to this level also. So just try to hold on to your position and not to take reversal, guys, especially during this kind of momentum with no proper confirmation. It's better not to take. I have also told a close below this anchor VWAP level is what I expected. And in case price rejecting from these levels, we'll take short position here also. You can see after this kind of bullish candle, the market rejected price from these levels and closed below this level, closed below here. So in case if another candle also reaches all the way and closes below and within this range, we'll take short position. Or else if market closes above this zone, guys, the high of this candle, you can see this high, there is high chance that the market might continue bullish. So let's try to hold on to our trade and see in case if the market moves in our favor. With no proper confirmation, it's better not to trade, guys. You can see this kind of channel pattern formation also after this kind of bullish candle. Or what you can see is this bullish candle over here. The price is trading above the 50 levels over here, the golden zone ratio, clearly signifying bullishness. This is the 50 level. And this is what I'm saying, guys. You can see price rejecting from these levels. Once if the market closes below this level, or for better confirmation, you can expect the market to close below this level to look for short trades. As of now, it's very bullish only, guys. So you can easily enter long position somewhere here, keeping your stop loss just below this candle. A one candle stop loss, which I already mentioned to you, and targeting all the way towards the upside. And for target levels, the fib extinction levels, the common point between this to the common point between this to the common point between this, you can target the 1.68 level over here. Even though the market formed a huge bearish candle, guys, I'm still holding on to my call trade because definitely you can expect some kind of rejection from these levels and continuation of price towards the downside. Or in case if the market closes below this level, we will exit our position and take short trade, guys. Definitely the market here is showing some sign, sort of bearish momentum only. And if you look at Nifty 50, you can see the market closed below this level also, guys. In case if another candle appears bullish, you can see what I've told you, guys. This is how the market will target. This is what I'm saying, guys. That's why you should always wait for the close of the candle. Even though the market showed sentiment of bearish momentum, you can see a close of this candle is very important. And again, the market is rejecting price from these levels and continuation of price towards the downside. This is kind of a very risky trade, guys, but definitely with this kind of rejection and price closing below the anchor VWAP level, you can see this is the anchor VWAP level, which I have initially marked you, and the 21 moving average, definitely showing some signs of bearishness. Definitely the market sentiment is bearish only, guys. The market retraced all the way to 0.38 level, failed to close above the day VWAP level, but it's trying to consolidate here. And we should always wait for close only, guys. That's why here you can see the close is very important. Here we saw the market is closing below the anchor VWAP level, but definitely you can see the market closed above the anchor VWAP level, signifying some sort of bullishness only. So, but here you can expect another channel formation over here. So the market is kind of forming a channel pattern. Definitely the market closed below this level. So it's better to exit and take a short position only, guys. So you can easily take a short trade here, keeping your stop loss just above this candle, or we'll wait for a close, guys. Better. It's always to wait for the close of the candle to decide whether the market sentiment is bearish or bullish. You can see the 550 level support over here. The market rejecting price from lower levels, mitigating all those levels. And definitely after the close, guys, we are taking a short position, keeping our stop loss just above that candle and targeting all the way towards the downside. And for target levels, we are using this retracement level here. So what you can do is to target the 1.68 level here. This is our initial target, the 1.68 level. And in case if the market sentiment is clearly bearish, we'll look for new lows, guys. And I will take another trade here. I'm expecting a bullish momentum. So you can expect a huge bearish momentum, guys. You can see, guys, the market is in profit, which I've already told you. We'll try to trial our stop loss to break even. I am expecting a profit of around another 2K. You can see rejection of price from these levels. There is a high chance the market might continue lower, guys. So just try to hold on to your trade. You can see rejection of price from lower levels. Even after this kind of huge bearish momentum, the market rejected price from lower levels. And this is a 50 level. The market went all the way to this level, guys, 726. We'll try to place our targets, guys. It's better to place our targets. 750 to 770 is where we'll try to place our targets. You can see market rejecting price. Again, the market is trying to head lower only, guys. And you can see this kind of momentum where we captured, guys. And I made another profit of around 1,600. You can see now currently it's around 2,600. I captured this move. And you can hold on to your position, guys. Definitely the market is showing a huge volatility. So what you can do is to hold on to your momentum. You can expect the market to even break this high also. There is a very good chance the market might even break this high and continue further selling. Here you can expect further continuation of price and the market might continue. And once our target is hit, guys, I'm gonna exit my live trade analysis. And you're getting, guys, I have taken short position here. Here I told you to enter long position, keeping your stop loss. With a minor stop loss, we could have exited here. But definitely the market, a one candle of stop loss is where we have entered here. And we are expecting the market to form new lows. You can see when the market even broke this high also, went all the way to 48 also. You can expect this momentum to come all the way to this level, guys. Usually the market is targeting in both ways, guys, both directions. But the overall direction is bearish only, so better. You can see with this kind of impulsive momentums towards the upside, a lot of random traders might have got panicked also, and they might have exited their positions because the market volatility is too much, guys. Too volatile for the market. It's better to wait for the market to settle down and move in a very balanced way before you actually take any trades. Because in such kind of markets, guys, it's very difficult for anyone to trade. You can see rejection of price from those levels. Once our 1.68 level target is done, we'll exit, guys. Love trade analysis, will exit. And I hope how I trade is this only, guys. You should always be very volatile in your trading decisions. You should suddenly change your directional basis in case if the market is not trying to move your move in your trade. And definitely you should eliminate your ego, guys. In case if you might have holded on to the long positions here, you can see how the market came all the way towards the downside. I told you to exit at this moment itself, even before we taking, and we told to enter the short trade here on my analysis and keeping my stop loss just above that candle itself and targeting all the way to 1.68 level is what I told. In case if the market sentiment would have been clearly bearish, the market might continue further selling. But you can see there is a fair value gap here, and there is definitely some kind of imbalance. And the market came, took this imbalance, and after this kind of huge bullish momentum, the market rejected price from day VWAP level as well as 21 moving average as well as 0.38 level over here, clearly signifying bearishness. Even if the market sentiment would have been bullish after this kind of huge bullish momentum, the market might consolidate here and formed another bullish candle, breaking this high. But definitely the market was not able to break this high and even broke towards the downside. And you can see another kind of channel pattern formation over here. This is a clear trendline liquidity. So you can expect a clear price rejecting from these levels, and you can expect the market to go bearish from here also, guys. So what you can keep is to keep your stop loss just above and targeting all the way towards the downside. So there is a high chance the market might even break this low and the market might come all the way to 1.68 level. So let's see in case if the market reaches our level, guys. In case of market reaches our level, it would be very satisfying for us. And our trade analysis, and you can now trial your stop loss to this level, guys. This is where you can trial your stop loss in case if the market suddenly moves in against your direction, you can exit it at this level itself. This is a trialing SL, guys. You can see the market is hitting our target. And definitely after the 1.68 level target has been hit and the 5 minute zone also here, we'll try to exit our trades. And I think my live trade analysis also is kind of helpful for you. In case if you find my videos helpful, guys, please like, share, and comment. Share with your friends and family also. And definitely the market sentiment is bearish. So you can see multiple rejection of price from this 9 moving average, clearly indicating bearishness, and you can expect the market to come all the way to 1.68 level here. Or after this kind of momentum, you can expect another. Clearly, the market broke this. This is a clear breakout structure here. But there is no fair value gaps here, guys. You can see there is no fair value gap. So you can expect price take support from this zone. And after this kind of momentum, the market might reverse like this also. So because there is no fair value gaps here, or the market might even reject price from the zero point 0.5 as well as the 0.6 level. So if you try to add this over here, this is the 1.68 level. So this is the mid of the first candle. The market has not even reached this level. So you can expect the market to go down only, guys. Go bearish only. So let's see in case if the market moves in our favor and reaches the 1.68 level. Definitely the market should come and reach this level, guys. Our trailing stop loss has been done, guys. This is our trial stop loss. In case if the market moves against our direction, we will just exit with a minimum risk to reward ratio. This is where we have entered, kept our stop loss just above that zone and targeted all the way towards this side. This is our entry, guys, and this is our stop loss. You can see, guys, our target is about to hit. This is as simple as it is, guys. You can expect the market even to reverse, even go down also, guys, because there is a demand over here. It's a little bit of demand, guys. In case you can even trial your keep your stop loss just above that candle. And in case if the market sentiment will be bearish, the market might continue further selling towards the downside like this. You can expect new lows to form and even break this low also. But as of now, our target is almost hit, guys. It came all the way near it. So you can easily enter, exit your trade. So in case if the market rejects price from 1.68 level, you can see how the market would behave. And a last final candle, guys, definitely our target will definitely is gonna hit. Let's wait and watch. It's very difficult to hold your positions in this position, guys, because there is be a lot of fear that the market might reverse like this. Even like seeing profits near coming near, a lot of retail traders might exit their positions because yeah, we made a decent profit and our set target is almost here. But with only experienced trader will just hold your positions here, keep your stop losses, and not even worry about this profit also, guys. Even though they might have made a decent profit in this swing momentum, they might not worry because what they might expect is that the market might continue very aggressively towards the downside like this, and they might miss out on the huge profits here, guys. With this kind of small profit, they might miss out on this profit. So it's better now. Our trade is a risk-free trade, guys. So even though the market moves higher and hit our stop loss, we'll 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 win only a small amount. But in case a 34 points in profit, guys, in case if the market moves in our favor and rejected price from these levels and continue further selling towards the downside, you can expect the market to behave very strongly bearish, and you could have missed out on a huge profits here, guys. So it's always better to trial your stop loss than to exit. In case if you, if you don't have the conviction to hold on to your trade, you better exit your position, guys. You are feeling some kind of panic or the fear that you might miss out on your profits, it's better to exit your trade. But if you are really convinced about your trade analysis and the about your knowledge and how to trade, guys, definitely you will hold on to your positions. And the price is coming almost near to our targets, but not definitely hitting our targets, guys. But definitely I need to see. You can see this kind of bullish momentum also. But definitely the market here, this kind of bullishness, showing another channel pattern formation of here, clearly signifying bearishness, and this kind of momentum is trading below the 9 as well as 21 moving average, clearly signifying bearishness. So you can expect our targets to hit, guys, but definitely we need to wait. And I think patience is the key in trading. Only those people who have patience and conviction and accepting small losses, piling their stop loss, and following the risk management with everything amalgamated is trading, guys. When you know how to handle your emotions and manage risk to reward ratios, how to trial your stop loss with all those skill sets, only then you can become a successful trader, not just knowing the market sentiment, directional basis, not just with some basic steps. You should be knowing everything, guys. You can see this kind of momentum, guys. This is with no fair value gaps, no imbalance candles. The market is just trying to reverse, guys. So you can expect price rejecting from somewhere between these levels and continuation of price towards the downside also. So you can expect a huge aggressive downward momentum also. So here only you can see the price rejecting from 21 moving average. So you can expect the market to further continue towards this downside. In case if the market breaks above this level, guys, you can exit your trade. Now you can trial your stop loss all the way to this zone. So this is where you can trial, guys. You can see rejection of price from 21 moving average. Now you can trial your stop loss. And in case if our target levels is hit, you can clearly expect the market, can expect the breakout structure here also. You can see there is multiple rejection of price from these levels, guys. You can see here there is a dodgy candle, clearly signifying some sort of different demand. But definitely, this is a 5 minute zone, guys. So definitely you can expect some kind of momentum. But what we can expect is that the market might clearly break this structure. You can see the market will definitely break this structure, formation of a break of structure here. You can see our target is almost done, guys. And the market might mitigate this. Our target has been done, guys. And suddenly the market might reverse, guys, in this way. The market might come and reverse like this. So our target has been done. You can trial your stop loss above this level. In case if the market closes above this level, there is a high chance the market might continue bullish. So our target has been done, guys. Our 1.68 level target has been done. So in case if the market rejected price from these levels and continue further sell it, or in case if the market closes above this level, guys, I hope you're understanding. In case if the market closes below above this level, there is high chance the market might continue bullish. But you can say market again mitigated this fair value gap and continuation of price towards the downside. So you can just trial your stop loss till here. So there is a very good chance that the market might continue further bearish. You can see the market is clearly bearish, guys, rejecting price and trialing a stop loss, and the market clearly broke the structure. That's it, guys. That's it. You can see you could have easily targeted all the way to this one. And this is about my live trade analysis. Hope you're understanding what I'm saying, guys. In case if you like my videos, please share and with your friends and family. And I'm very clear with my trades, guys. I'm showing it. I know it's a very small capital, and but my knowledge is more than my capital amount, guys. But definitely one day I would be trading it in lakhs, crores, and something like that in a 1 year span, guys. Definitely my profits might here be in 2 crores to 3 crores. I'm telling you, it's not a boost of my, but I'm definitely confident about my knowledge. And one day, definitely, I would be trading, guys. And let's see, guys. And in case if God be in our favor, we will be definitely making a huge profits in future. But definitely, as of now, I want you to analyze how I trade. And in case if you find my videos helpful, guys, please share my video with your friends and family. And keep supporting, guys. Thank you.